In today's video, I'm going to transform my desk into my dream workspace. To make room for my desk, because I want my desk to no longer be in the corner that it is in my room, all of the pictures I've saved on Pinterest and like the desk's workspace that I really like has like this kind of like wall situation, and this is like the only wall in my room besides the one where my clothing rack is, where I could like use the like corner, if that makes sense. So that means I have to get rid of my whole bookshelf, which I want to anyways. Okay, so now I gotta move everything. That's kind of what's next.
Already.
Oh. So Bailey is not Italian. She can't flip pizzas.
Like the UFC. Round 2.
Why is it already $13 for one?
What did you think?
Oh goodness. I'm not even recording. I'm just watching my price go up. Is that really $7 of a plant? Really? My cousin was kind enough to give me a monitor, and I really wanted a white monitor, so I decided to use vinyl to cover the black parts of the monitor white. And I did struggle with this. It was actually really hard. I debated between painting it and using vinyl, so if I were you, I would do research before, and I probably would have done the paint if I had known. But at least this is less permanent and I could always take it off. But I ended up really liking the outcome. You can't really tell, but it isn't perfect, which kind of annoys me.
I think something's up with ours. Why is no one listening?
It's been a couple days since I've completely redone my desk, and I am absolutely in love with my desk setup and just like the change overall. I feel like there's more personality going on. Ever since I moved my desk over here, I have sat here every single day. I just feel so much more productive with the big screen, having all my homework on there, being able to have multiple screens. I am definitely more of a maximalist, as you can tell, than a minimalist. I think it's just like not my thing. I mean, it's cute, it's very aesthetic, but like I love looking at things. I love things. I love collecting things. So this is just like perfect ideal situation for me. I also just like love the like 2 walls, and I get to put stuff on both of it. I hope you found inspiration from this video and that you also remake your desk. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you next week.